Good morning and welcome back to the Social Stack 66 Day Challenge Get Started in Social Media. I'm Amy Stack and today is day 61 of our challenge, Schedule versus Premiere. In this challenge, you'll learn the difference between scheduling a video to launch on your channel and scheduling a premiere, plus when to use each function. Before we get started, if this is your first time here and you want to learn more about marketing with technology for your business, start now by subscribing to my channel. Just click that red subscribe button and then the bell icon. All right, a great way to streamline your video process is to actually batch produce your content. This has multiple benefits, one of which is that you can load all of your videos ahead of time and schedule them to release at different times. When you do this, you'll have the options to schedule them or set them as premieres. You can see those buttons here. And check out day 54 of this challenge if you need a reminder on how to do that. We go over how to get that video into YouTube and how to use these different scheduling features. So you might be wondering what the difference is. When you schedule a video, there is no viewer notification that a video is posted that will be viewable later. Additionally, there is no way to set a reminder alert. However, if someone has subscribed to your channel and selected that bell icon to receive those alerts, they will receive a notification when the video launches and is live and ready to be viewed. When you set a video as a premiere, your subscribers will receive an alert that it was scheduled. And additionally, there will be a preview on your channel showing that a premiere is coming, and anyone can request to set up a reminder notification for that release. So I'm going to show you a couple of samples of what that would look like. So this is looking at your back end of YouTube. You can see this is when you have scheduled a video. You can see under the visibility column here, these all say scheduled. So that's what it'll look like when you schedule one. And then this is how it appears on your channel. So you only see videos that have actually been released or launched if you are using that schedule feature. If you're using Premiere, you'll see on your back end of YouTube that your video is now labeled as premiere, as you can see in this red circle, and under our visibility, it's also labeled as premiere. So it's easy for you to identify how you have your videos scheduled to go out. Then on the public side, I blew up a little thumbnail here for you. When people come to your channel, they'll be able to see that this video is coming. It'll have a little tag here that says it premieres, and they can click this bell icon here to set a reminder to get a notification when it's going live. Now, why would you want to use both of these or either of them? To schedule, when you're scheduling, if you are preloading a whole bunch of content, you don't necessarily want to blow up your viewers with notifications with a whole bunch of premiere alerts. This will also take away some of the lure of premiere offers. If all your videos are premieres, what makes any of them special? So for premieres, you want to use those when you want to highlight a special video. If there is something you have been getting a lot of questions on, or maybe you have a special guest featured, those are both great reasons to set up a premiere. Leading up to the release of your video, you can also create a watch party with a premiere, and there will be a countdown timer at the end of it when your video goes live. So you can actually log in and chat with your audience who will be watching the video in real time, which is a great way of connecting with your audience and building a fan base. So that's something you can do with the Premiere feature. If you want to set it and forget it so that you can come check in on comments later, a traditional schedule is the perfect way to do that. So the Premiere will let you go ahead and watch live and see the live comments and interact, and the scheduling will just have it set and ready to go, and it will automatically post for you, and you can come back and periodically check in on those comments and everything later. So I want you to go ahead and tell me in the comments which feature you're excited to use and why, and that's actually going to conclude our training for the day. So join me tomorrow at 7:30 a.m. Central for our next challenge. We'll be digging into channel analytics. I'll see you then.